Hello, you are welcome to another class on algebra. Today's class we'll be looking at how to expand brackets. Remember, in the previous class we've learned how to expand brackets. We're going to learn how to expand, not remove, but it's part of expansion. Removing bracket is part of expansion of bracket. Let's cite an example on the board. You have expand 2x plus y, and you have x plus y. We want to expand it. So how do we expand 2x plus y in the first bracket, x plus 10 plus y rather in the second bracket? Very easy. You bring out each term of a particular bracket and use to multiply the other part of the second bracket. What am I saying? 2x, then I use that to multiply that of the second bracket, the whole part of the second bracket. Now I brought out 2x, now I need to bring out what? The next member or the next term, which is plus y. So I'm bringing out plus y, and I'm also using that to multiply x plus y. Are we getting it? So after this is done, then we can now remove the brackets, which is what we learned from the previous class. Then we group them together. So what do I have now? I have 2x squared plus this 2x times that will give us 2xy. We'll go to the next one now. X times y will give us xy. Then plus times plus. Then y times y squared. So simplifying from the previous class, which means to group those that are like. This is a like term, this is a like term. So, but we have 2x squared plus y squared plus 2xy plus 3xy will give us what? 3xy, which is the answer to example number 1. So, to expand a bracket means that you do what? You bring out each content of a particular part of the expansion. Then use that to multiply each member in the second part, which is what we have done here. You can also do it vice versa. That is, you can bring out the content of the second part, x, and then do that with each of those in the first part as well. So that is example 1. Example 2. Let's assume that you are asked to expand. You are asked to expand 3x plus y, and the same 3x plus y is given in the second bracket. You are asked to expand. So how do we go about this? I said bring out the content of the first part. I'm bringing out 3x, and I'm using that to multiply the other part, which is 3x plus y. Then the next part here is the term here is plus y. I bring that out as well. Then I use that to multiply the second part, 3x plus y. So, removing brackets from the previous class, I believe you still understand that. 3 times 3 will give us 9. X times x will give us x squared. 3x together times y will give you 3x and what? Y. 3x times y will give us 3x and y. Then y times y will give us y squared. So, we can now simplify in the next step. Right now, simplifying in the next step, according to the powers, you have 9x squared plus y squared. Then these are what? Like terms. So we have 3 plus 3, 6. The xy, which is the coefficient, will remain constant. So that is the solution to example 2. Now, you can try this on your own. You can try this on your own. We'll look at the solution of that in the next class. You have to expand 3x squared. I like 3 a lot. 3x4, 3x squared. Expand 3x squared minus y squared all squared. You can try that at home. See you in the next class.